In this video, we're going to look at how a teacher can view student boards in Whiteboard.chat and how they can also join these boards to interact with the students. So the first thing the teacher is going to do is they're going to go down to the bottom left-hand side where it says Grid View, and they're going to click on that. And you will see that I can see my board and I can see my two students that I have here. Now, you can see up to 9 boards at a time on here, and if you need to see more, you can use the scroll down at the bottom to get to the additional boards. So let's say that I want to see what student number 2 here is doing. All I need to do is click on that board. It will expand that board here so I can actually see what they're working on. I have the choice down here to either join the student board or I can showcase. If I showcase the board, that means it's going to show it to all the other students, so everyone will be viewing this student's board at that time. So I'm going to go ahead and say join this board. So when I do that, you can see I'm now on this student's board. So what I'm going to do is maybe I want to leave this student some feedback. So I can go up here, I'm going to click on my little palette in this top corner. And it's already on feedback. That's one of the choices that I have here. I can get to any of these, but I'm going to click on feedback, and so I'm going to say they've done a great job, so I'm going to say high five, and I'm going to give them that up there. Or maybe I want to say great job. So I can put that on that student board. I'm going to actually bring the student board over and let you see. This is the actual student's board, and you can see where I left that feedback on that student's board. It is showing right there. I could actually, if I needed to, I could draw and write on the board as well. When I am finished working with that student, then I'm going to go back to my teacher board down in the bottom left corner. I just click Go to Instructor, and that will take me off of the student board and back into the teacher view. And that's how teachers can view students' boards.